You're welcome back. Now let's solve the first requirement of this question, which is the profit or loss appropriation account. Okay, we have the partners, Wasil, Eniton, and Adiola. The title, profit or loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2016. The first item is the net profit of 92,400, which is what we want to share among the partners. But before we share it, there are some items that will be deducted and added to the net profit. That is what we call the appropriation. Okay, the first item is interest on capital. Remember, we said in order to compensate a partner who has contributed an extra investment into the partnership and who equally puts in the same level of work as other partners should get an interest on capital. Okay, now this interest on capital for Wasil is 1,800, for Eniton is 1,350, and for Adiola is 1,050. The total is 4,200. Okay, this will be deducted from the profit and credited to the respective current account of each of the partners. The next is interest on drawings. This is to discourage drawings of cash from the firm. To Wasil, we charged Wasil 600. Eniton, we charged Eniton 480. And we charged Adiola 250. The total is 1,330. This is an additional income to the partnership because we are charging interest on what each partner has withdrawn. Therefore, it will be added to the profit. However, it will be deducted by means of a debit to the current account of the partners. The next is salaries. For Eniton, we are paying Eniton 11,000. And for Adiola, we are paying Adiola 14,000. Brings the total to 25,000. This will be deducted. If we accumulate all these items, it brings the distributable profit to 64,530, which is the profit that will be distributed or shared among the partners. Okay, so let's share it. So the share of profit in the ratio of 3 to 2 to 1. So Wasil will get 3 over 6 of 64,530, and that gives 32,265. Eniton will get 2 over 6 of 64,530, and that is 21,510. Adiola gets 1 over 6 of 64,530, and that gives 10,755. So we have shared this profit, and this is a typical profit or loss appropriation account. Okay, you will see that I started from net profit. The same process, the same procedure we follow in determining the net profit through preparation of statement of profit or loss. For a sole proprietorship, that is the same way they have gotten this net profit that we use there. So we are assuming that you know how to prepare that. So the new thing for the partnership in the statement of profit or loss is this appropriation account. And these are the items that can show in the appropriation account. In the next video, we will look at the statement of financial position. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.